Haiti, my contact at VEVOR, saw that I liked the R500 LVLP spray gun, so she sent me their kit to try out. So we're gonna look and see what we got here. They got nice packaging to protect it on its way here. Let's see what we got. We got a box here that is SPRAYGUN sets. This is a 1.8, the primer, no doubt. There's no needle. Oh, there it is. Billy spilled the needle. .8. See what's in this one. Oops. Tore the box, but that's okay. I don't keep the boxes. There's a wrench and an air fitting, a cleaning brush, and a little filter for the cup. This one is a 1.4. There's the needle. We have a 1.8 for primer, a 1.4 I would assume is for clear. Like here's the gun. And it is a 1.3. And it's a standard R500. There you see it, R500. Everything looks the same as what I'm used to. It has the same air cap design that I know and love. A roll of Teflon tape for the air fittings. Here's a manual of some sort. Oh, we have a nice metal cap. That's unusual, with a press-in lid. The screw-on lids, I don't like them very much. Of course, I don't use a cup like this anyway, since I use a PPS. We have a air regulator. So here, and that's all there is in the box. Put it inside. So we got an air gauge, the gun, a wrench, an air fitting. And two of those little strainer deals. I think there was one in the gun. Yeah, there's one in the gun. I use them sometimes for some things, but not very often. And, what is this? Oh, a little water trap. That's nice. Now you guys know I don't put this stuff on the end of my gun, but for this purpose, we will, but I'm not going to assemble it with the Teflon tape. I'm going to put it together just for looks. when I used to have the regulator on the gun, I would have it like that so that I could see the gauge. See, like that. But I don't like that. I don't like having all that crap hanging off the end of my gun here. So I recommend that you put a whip hose. Well, actually I put this end right here on here, and then have a whip hose with a coupler that comes down to these two pieces. And when I paint, I'm holding this regulator in this hand and the whip hose, so I don't have any kind of pull down here on my gun. I like to have an easy spray for down low on rockers and all that. So let's see what the spray pattern looks like. Now you can see here that the knobs have numbers on them. I've got this all the way closed, and I'm going to open it up 3 turns. I'm going to bring the one back around to the bottom 3 times, and that's about 3 of 4 turns. 4 turns is about all the way open. Then on the fan control, 3 turns is about all the way open, so I'm going to open it up to 2.5 turns, nearly all the way open, because that's where I like to keep it at for normal spraying. You can close down the fluid and the fan to barely open if you want to do little detail work. It's not a airbrush, but you can do little small things with it if you need to. After reviewing the footage here, I probably could have put a little more open on the fan and had a little bit bigger fan, but that's okay. It's not that small. And it is an LVLP gun, which usually has a smaller fan than your regular HVLP, to conserve paint mainly. Look at that shine. And that's the VEVOR R500 kit with a 1.3, 1.4, and 1.8 nozzle sets. Good for doing whatever you need to do. So please touch my like thingy and subscribe, damn it!